My name is Joan Whitson.
And I'm Erica Bosserman.
And we're with the Early Learning Coalition of North Florida.
And before we begin this beautiful herbaceous floral activity, I'd like to give a shout out to my friend, Miss Donna, a wonderful teacher at Brighton Day Academy, for the inspiration for this whole activity.
Hi, Miss Donna.
Hi, Miss Donna. So, welcome to Hands-On Botanicals. Today we're going to make colorful flower headpieces, hairstyles, hats, and accessories for our faces.
Oh, these are gorgeous.
So, what do we need, Miss Joan?
Oh, well, to start out this activity, the most important thing you're going to need is a head printout like this. And I would recommend printing it on cardstock. And you can get this printout from mothernature.com. And then all you're going to need is fresh materials from nature. Make sure any plants you choose are not toxic if accidentally ingested. And you're going to need children's safety scissors and tacky glue. So, Erica, what's in bloom?
Well, I have
what's
a
in bloom?
plethora of herbaceous goodness.
Ooh.
I have over here, as we've shown you, we have rosemary, thyme, parsley. Sounds like a Simon and Garfunkel song. We have basil, mint. Oh, look at these. We have impatience, the beautiful hibiscus.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that. Makes you feel so tropical.
We have roses.
We have these dried feathery dune plants, and we have variegated scheffalera, parsley, cilantro. Did I say that already? And we have these geraniums that are barely hanging on, but they have a smell to their own that's super cool. And we have these herbs. So let's put all of these on the table for everybody to see. And now let's start to dig in. So here we have our templates, and I've already put tacky glue on them. And so let's start snipping and decorating, Joan.
But remember first, before we do that, remember we recommend that you let put out the face for the children without the glue first.
I jumped ahead, sorry.
But they're great without the. And let them have fun practicing and placing their pieces on, right?
Go ahead. Yep. So let's do this together.
Okay.
You snip. I'll snip.
Oh, look at that big one. I love it.
I love it. And so you can glue, and you can even take these apart, Joan, if you want to, and then let them see.
Yeah, because that's kind of big.
Like the stamen, the pistil of the flower, and how the flower is put together in Mother Nature.
Oh, yeah, I like that better.
Yeah, and so here I'm going to clip a foliage.
Oh, and a fern, I think you said would look really cool.
And, oh, look at this pretty one here, Joan. Don't mean to reach in front of you. Excuse me.
No, but look at
I like that. Oh, the purple one's pretty.
Look at, like, out the side.
Like, I know. Like, do another one.
Oh, yeah, on the other side.
Like it's earrings or something.
Oh, look at I made earrings.
I love that. It's earrings. Okay, very good. But you know what? I think you should use another color. What do you think?
Yeah, because, I'm not really happy with that one.
I like it, but let's see if we can change it up a bit.
Yeah, let's do it again. This time I wanted to use, I didn't get to use chives last time.
No.
So look at that. Look at, what would be kind of funny? Look at this one.
What is this?
Oh. I can make, look at all the way up and down. I can do that with my
hair.
Yeah, I can make myself with spiked hair. Isn't that cool?
Good. That's very good. And then I'm going to put, I like your idea. I'm going to put a little minty over here.
For some more earrings.
For some, or, and let me add one more. Oh, how about add that. Oh, yeah, in between.
In between.
And so we made a pattern.
I know.
We did. Almost green, green, purple. Green, green, purple. We made a good for you, Joan.
Oh, thank you. I'm so excited about that.
Round of applause. Okay, so now we are going to then finally, once the children have rearranged and arranged whatever they want to do, then they can start putting their blooms on firmly, and that way budding artists can create their desired vision. So now you have to just put these on here.
Yeah, I
and
think
some stick.
Some here, I want to use the ones we already used.
Better than others. See how this is sticking? Okay, and then let me take one of these green ones, and I'll put. Look at this. Kind of looks like a heart on your head.
Ooh,
and Joan, look at that. Ferns really add
I know
good
the fern
height.
is really.
Oh, Joan.
I'm just gonna do a lot of flowers on this one.
And then here, let me little parsley.
Oh yeah, that would be good.
We need some serious bangs.
Yes.
Let me add some serious bangs
look at
here.
this one.
Oh my goodness, I have serious parsley bangs here. Let's hold it up.
Let's hold them up.
See this? Oh, isn't that beautiful? So, with these fresh nature botanicals, you can do all these awesome blossom activities and herbaceous deliciousness in the classroom anytime, but I would recommend closer to dismissal, kind of to let the glue set, all right? But if you do not have fresh botanicals, you can go to the wonderful Dollar Garden,
Yes.
as I have, and then you can make this one using these flower imposters.
That turned out just as beautiful.
And it'll last forever. Kids can take it to college, hang it in their dorm room. It's good forever. So I have one little book that we want to share.
Here.
And this is called The Hidden Rainbow by Christy Matheson. One garden, 10 bees, and all the colors of the rainbow. Can you find them? And at the end of the book, it shows how bees are pollinators in nature. And they go from flower to flower. And that's how we end up having different beautiful flowers in our garden. And then at the end, it talks about all these different colors of the rainbow also in apple trees, peach trees, a pear tree, apple tree, plum tree, and we even have blueberry bushes and blackberry bushes. So these are all the colors of the rainbow in your garden, including these gorgeous roses.
Wow, what an excellent book.
Isn't it an excellent book?
Add to your program.
It covers all kinds of different learning things. So until next time, enjoy and find your Zen.
And don't forget to subscribe to the ELC of North Florida YouTube page for more fun and educational videos like this.
Aren't we just these the coolest things
Have a
ever?
great day.
Bye.